Capricorns, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon of June 25th, 2021. This reading is going to be from this particular deck right here, and I'm going to tell you exactly what your emotional feelings are going to be around the full moon, and what exactly do you need to do to get past that difficult period, or that any kind of problem that you're having, or finding full moons difficult, because moons have a kind of effect on our body, because our body is made of 70% of water. So definitely they do have any moon changes, any cycle that changes has an effect on my body. So I'm sure it has effect on your body too. So let's see what's going on when it comes to your emotions around this time. Sorry, it's Mercury retrograde going on, so there's some speech problem. I'm not able to tell you exactly what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to shuffle the card, and I'm going to select two cards for you guys. These will contain messages from the guardian angels, some positive affirmations that will be good for you, that will help you around this time. Of course, it's the 20th, so you can start doing them today as well. There are too many cards. One actually just popped out, so I'll have to pick it up. Which one is it? Angel of Inner Strength. All right. Let me pick one more card from this. And which one should I pick? Maybe this one. Angel of Change. Wow. Definitely, Capricorns, there are some changes that are coming into your life. Let's see what it is. So we have the Angel of Change and the Angel of Inner Strength. So definitely what happens is that when you come across changes in your life, those changes can be big or small, anything, but you go through a turmoil. Some changes are difficult, some changes are scary, all sorts of feelings go inside you. But in the midst of all, I believe, Capricorns, what we have to remember is that we have to believe in ourselves, that we can take any challenge that comes across our way. These big changes can be in your personal life or your professional life, depending upon your individual case. So let's see what the guardian angels are telling you. First, we will talk about the Angel of Change. Then the Angel of Change is asking you, are you experiencing major changes that are challenging your emotional state? So like I said, there are definitely changes happening in your life, maybe in your personal life or your work life, that are actually challenging your emotional state, in the sense they might be scary. They might want you to learn more or gain more knowledge or research more, or if it comes to your personal life, then maybe adjust more or compromise something or sacrifice something, or just change something about you which is not really helping you, or your relationship for that matter. So the angel is saying, trust in the process of change and honor your feelings. Take the time to balance energy. Pay particular attention to the health of your nerves, bones and muscles. So definitely some of you might be feeling that your bones are hurting, like I am definitely feeling around this time. And I do have, by the way, my moon sign is Capricorn, so I do have this feeling that something is bothering me here, or something is bothering me here, something like that. So you might also be feeling this way. So pay particular attention means, if you have to see a physiotherapist, see a physiotherapist. These days I have been seeing a naturopath. That is very helpful. They give you pressure points, and it kind of takes all your stress away, and kind of treat you permanently from inside out. So you can visit a naturopath if you have any or know of any. The positive affirmation that the Angel of Change is telling you, which you can start speaking today, twice or thrice a day at a time, or one time a day, thrice at least, so that it gives the message to the universe what you're trying to say. You can speak it until the full moon. As I always say, I embrace the changes occurring in my life. I recognize that all changes bring better life situations. I am grateful that the energy flowing through me is in balance. I have a strong physical structure. All parts of my body feel good. So definitely, if you're not feeling good around this time, or if you're scared of that change, because changes can be scary, you're starting something new, maybe a new job, or new work profile, new business, or new relationship, or new kind of anything for that matter, new place change, maybe location change. It can be scary. So say these positive affirmations so that it can give you the strength and makes you feel positive about the change rather than negative about it. Okay, let's get to the angel of inner strength, who is asking you, do you realize that you are magnificent? Wow. Do you see this, Capricorn? Believe in your magnificence and embrace your power. Like the angel of change is also asking you to embrace your power, to not feel scared of it. You are magnificent. You can do anything. Know that you are strong enough to set boundaries with others and assert yourself in a loving manner. Allow yourself to be who you truly are, a loving and magnificent being. So I believe, Capricorns, you must be going through some changes in your life, in the sense that maybe you decided to be friends with somebody and not take the relationship forward, for example. Some of you, I'm just giving you an example, and you like that person, so you're drawing your boundaries. You're telling that person very politely that, I don't think this is going to go that far, so let's just stay friends. So there you're drawing the boundaries. At the same time, you're still loving them. There's no harm when we love a person from a distance, when we know it's not going to go anywhere, or if the person is not good for you, or if the person doesn't want to commit you any situation. It can be anything. So you draw your boundaries, because at the end of the day, when you know it's not going to work out for you, you have to protect yourself. Everybody here is protecting themselves, and Capricorns, you also have to protect yourself. So you have to draw boundaries, whether that means in your relationships, with your relatives, with your partner, with your colleague, with your boss, anything. You need to draw boundaries, and healthy boundaries. And it says that you can draw boundaries without being rude, in a loving manner. Like, this is what we need to do, and this is something we can't do. So it's easy, it's not that difficult. And in case you're finding it difficult, the positive affirmation that you need to start speaking today until the full moon is, it is safe for me to be powerful in loving ways. I am magnificent in every way. I have the strength to do anything I set out to do with a loving intention. I am grateful for the courage to be all I can be. See, it's beautiful. So you can be anything, any change that you want to do. You want to change the line, you want to become a doctor, you want to become a pilot, you can become anything that you want. If don't think that it's too late to make this change. Don't think that it's too late to change the stream of line. Don't think that it's too late to start a new relationship. Don't think it's never too late. And these are the positive affirmations that you need to speak. So it's not me, it's the angels telling you. Okay, so start speaking them today, and I assure you that everything will be all right. Okay, so you guys take very good care of yourself, and this was your reading for the full moon. Thank you. Bye bye.